2022 Lamborghini Aventador. 1. Performance. The Aventador powertrain features a mid-mounted naturally aspirated 6.5-litre V12 that develops 769 horsepower. The engine's 531 pound-feet of torque makes its way to all four wheels via a 7-speed automated manual transmission. Engine DOHC 48-valve V12 aluminum block and heads, port fuel injection power, 769 horsepower and 8,500 RPM torque, 531 pound-foot with 6,750 RPM. 2. Interior comfort and cargo. The cabin won't hold many small items, and luggage space is limited. The dashboard features a digital gauge cluster that changes its layout whenever you select a new drive mode: Strada, Sport, and Corsa. Eco mode allows you to personalize the settings for powertrain, steering, and suspension. 3. Test results: 60 miles per hour, 2.7 seconds 100 miles per hour, 5.9 seconds 1/4 mile, 10.5 seconds top speed, 221 miles per hour. 4. Fuel economy: 16 miles per gallon. 5. Price base: $507,353.
Be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before I knew. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss. Stay up, I feel so outdated. How can we look the other way? Sun is out, but the sky is gray. What would happen if I took a chance? It's always hard at first glance. I don't wanna, but I know I gotta do it. The truth is hard to swallow, I think I'll chew it. I wish I knew